can go ahead and tackle that problem. All right, last 2 questions here, and then I will stay back for a little bit for you guys on the chat. So the next one was just how to like simplify. How do you combine like these? So the first expression is we have x divided by x plus 2 plus x squared. Well, again, you notice that this is a fraction. If I'm going to add a fraction to an expression, it also has to be in fractional form. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite x cubed as a fraction, meaning x cubed over 1. But the only way you're going to be able to combine these is if they have the same denominator. So what we need to do is find the common denominator. And the common denominator of x plus 1 and 1 is going to be x plus 1. The easy way to find a common denominator is just to multiply the 2 denominators. So 1 times x plus 1 is x plus 1. I already have my common denominator over here, so therefore I'm going to multiply by an x plus 1 on the top and the bottom on the right-hand side. So therefore on the left-hand side, I get x over x plus 1 plus x cubed times x plus 1 all over x plus 1. Now that they have the same denominators, I can just add this as x plus x to the 4th plus x cubed. And you could rearrange those, but for the sake of time, I'll just leave them as that. Now for the next one, you probably recognize I don't really want to multiply an x squared minus 4 times x plus 2 to find the common denominator. So in this case, it might be helpful to see, well, how can I simplify this? And I could rewrite x squared minus 4 as x minus 2 times x plus 2. Now I see that they both share an x plus 2. So they have an x plus 2 in common. So therefore, all I need to do for them to be common denominators is multiply this right-hand side by an x minus 2 over an x minus 2. Now you can see that they have their common denominators. And now again, I'm just going to go ahead and multiply. The other thing you want to do is look into simplifying this, but if you factor out a 2, you're going to get an x squared minus 8, which is not going to simplify or divide anything out. The only other thing that's kind of important here is just make sure you have that subtraction. So if you're going to multiply this, which is fine, just make sure you have 2x squared minus 16 minus, come on. Minus, and then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put this in brackets, this x plus 4 times x minus 2. So that's going to be an x squared, let's see, 4x, so that's going to be plus 2x, and then minus 8. So again, make sure you're going to want to just make sure that negative is outside that product, and that's going to be all over x plus 2 times x minus 2. Okay, and obviously you could simplify this a little bit further, but for